In this video, we'll be taking a look at some of the top technologies that are expected over the next few years, from artificial intelligence to augmented reality and many other mind-blowing inventions. Let's find out what we can expect from the future of technology. Welcome to Business Wave TV, where investors and entrepreneurs go to level up. Number 1. Robotics and Drones. From robotics automating manual labor to drones delivering packages in a fraction of the time, robotics and drones will be integral parts of our future. This technology promises to bring efficiency and convenience that can benefit people everywhere, from businesses to everyday citizens. Robotics and drones are already being used today in a variety of sectors, from manufacturing and logistics to healthcare and retail. In the future, robotics technology will continue to advance, allowing for more sophisticated robotic systems that can navigate and interact with their environment. Similarly, drone technology is quickly evolving. As drones become smaller and more reliable, they'll be able to provide more services, such as delivering medical supplies to remote areas and providing assistance in disaster relief efforts. The robotics and drones of the future are also set to revolutionize transportation. Autonomous vehicles powered by robotics will be able to navigate roads with fewer human drivers, making travel safer and more efficient. This technology will also allow for faster delivery and shipping of goods, which will benefit businesses and customers alike. The robotics revolution is coming, and it promises to bring incredible benefits for all of us. Number 2. Augmented reality. Augmented reality is the game changer of the 21st century. It's what happens when you take the physical world and digitally enhance it on the camera of your devices with computer-generated elements like text, images, video, audio, or GPS data shown in the visual display of your environment. This technology will revolutionize our lives in ways we've only dreamed of. For example, augmented reality can be used in mobile devices to provide real-time information and directions. Imagine being able to look through your phone at a building or street and you're instantly shown graphics showing you what restaurants are nearby, what events are happening, what stores you can visit, and what the best route is to get there. Augmented reality will also have an impact in the medical sector. Doctors and surgeons can be provided with real-time information to help them perform their duties more accurately than ever before. In addition, augmented reality will be used to provide remote assistance to emergency situations, such as providing first responders with what they need to know during a crisis visually. Finally, augmented reality will revolutionize the way we interact with the world around us. With this technology continuing to advance, it's exciting to see what new possibilities arise in the future. Before we continue, if you're enjoying the video so far, click the thumbs up, give us a like, and subscribe so we can give you more content like this. Now on to number 3, artificial intelligence. No one can deny that artificial intelligence, also known as AI, is on the rise, and it's here to stay. But what does this future-shaping technology mean for us? From smart assistants to self-driving cars, AI is already making a major impact in our day-to-day lives. But future benefits of AI include much more than just convenience. They could lead to actual life-changing advances, such as improving medical diagnosis and creating personalized education plans tailored to individual learners. AI also has the potential to revolutionize how businesses are run by leveraging advanced data analytics to better understanding customer needs and trends. Businesses can use these insights to create automated processes that run more efficiently, focus on customer retention, and ultimately become more profitable. The future of technology looks brighter with the power of AI behind it, and its importance cannot be overstated. Number 4. 3D printing. 3D printing is a revolutionary process that uses advanced technologies to create three-dimensional physical objects from digital models. This technology not only promises mass production, but has become increasingly accessible, meaning anyone can easily get their hands on a 3D printer and start creating whatever they dream of. The benefits of 3D printing are numerous. It allows for rapid prototyping, means that objects can be customized to individual needs and tastes, reduces manufacturing costs, encourages innovation, and encourages creativity. Moreover, as 3D printing technology becomes more accessible and affordable, it has the potential to revolutionize how we interact with products in the future. Imagine being able to create your own custom furniture or toys for your children, or printing replacement parts in minutes. With 3D printing, the world could become an incredible maker's paradise, where anything is possible. Number 5. Blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing what we know of traditional technology. It is an innovative system that decentralizes digital data, allowing it to be securely stored and shared across a network of multiple users. Blockchain is transforming the way information is distributed and authenticated, creating an unprecedented level of security and trust among its network participants. In a world where data security is paramount, blockchain's distributed ledger technology provides an uncorrupted and resilient system that can be used to store vital information such as financial records, contracts, or even medical records. Its decentralization ensures that no one person or entity can control it, allowing for greater transparency and eliminating the need for a centralized authority. It can be used for peer-to-peer transactions and smart contracts that are secure, immutable, and transparent. Its decentralized nature could lead to faster interaction times and lower fees for users, as well as improved scalability and cost savings for organizations. Overall, blockchain technology is set to revolutionize the way we interact with technology in the future. Number 6. Web 3. Welcome to the future of the internet called Web 3. This revolutionary technology is what will be powering our world in the coming years and generations. But what exactly is Web 3? Simply put, Web 3 is a new version of the internet that revolves around decentralization, allowing data and applications to run without being centralized on a single server or computer. This creates a more secure and transparent system that can be accessed by everyone, no matter what device they're using. But how will this new technology revolutionize the world? Well, Web3 is set to bring revolutionary improvements in areas like data privacy, cybersecurity, digital identity management, and machine learning. For example, with its decentralization model, it will make data management and sharing more secure. This means that users will be able to control what gets shared, as well as what information is accessible to third parties. Furthermore, Web3 will also allow for improved cybersecurity via its distributed ledger technology, which can detect malicious activities from bad actors early on. This technology can also help create a more secure digital identity management system, as users will be able to store their credentials in an encrypted form. Finally, it has been estimated that Web3 can improve machine learning capabilities. This is because the technology makes use of AI algorithms and automated processes, which makes it easier for machines to learn from datasets faster than what was previously possible with older versions of the internet. All in all, Web3 is set to revolutionize the way we use technology and data in the future. Number 7. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is quite literally a revolution in the way we use technology. It's an easy-to-use, cost-effective, and secure way to store data and applications online. With its ever-increasing popularity, companies of all sizes are starting to take advantage of what cloud computing can offer them. As the future moves towards greater digitalization, cloud computing will be what drives that revolution. By making it easier for businesses to access and distribute data, cloud computing has enabled organizations to respond quicker and more efficiently to customer needs. It also allows companies to store large amounts of data securely without having to invest in expensive hardware. The future benefits of cloud computing are what makes it so revolutionary. As technology becomes more advanced, cloud computing will become an essential part of our lives. From faster and more reliable access to data to improved customer service processes, cloud computing is what will help drive the economy in the future. Number 8. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is all set to revolutionize the way we use technology in the future. It's not a question of if, but of when. Quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize how tasks are done and at what speed, with much faster processing speeds than what current computers can do. In fact, quantum computing is essentially the technology of the future, capable of solving complex problems which are currently impossible for traditional computers. With quantum computing, tasks such as optimization, machine learning, and cryptography will be done much faster and more efficiently. For those who don't know what quantum computing is, it's essentially a type of computer that uses qubits or quantum bits instead of traditional bits to store information. While a traditional bit is either 0 or 1, a quantum bit can exist as both at the same time. This means quantum computers can process more data in less time and with far greater accuracy than what current computers are capable of. The potential benefits of quantum computing are vast. And what's even more exciting is that quantum computing is still in its infancy. There will be many new and exciting developments in the future as scientists explore what else this technology can do. Number 9. Clean energy. Clean energy is what the future of technology will be built on. It's a form of energy that doesn't require burning fossil fuels or any other kind of pollutants in order to generate power. Instead, clean energy sources like solar, wind, and geothermal harness natural resources to produce electricity without releasing carbon dioxide or other harmful gases into the atmosphere. The potential benefits of switching over to clean energy are huge, and they will be felt in the future by society everywhere. Clean energy sources produce less pollution than traditional methods, meaning that air quality can improve significantly. Furthermore, it has been estimated that clean energy could create more jobs and lower electricity costs for consumers. Clean energy is more than just a way to reduce emissions. It is also an opportunity for innovation, as new technologies are being developed every day to make clean energy sources more efficient and affordable. This means that the future of technology will be built on clean energy, a revolution in what we use to power our lives. With cleaner air, better job prospects, and cost-effective energy sources, a brighter and more sustainable future awaits us all. Number 10. Nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is a revolutionary science that deals with manipulating matter at the atomic level. It is the branch of science and engineering that focuses on creating, fabricating, and utilizing structures, devices, and systems by manipulating atoms and molecules at the nanoscale, which is 100 millionth of a millimeter. In other words, really, really small. It has the potential to revolutionize technology in an unprecedented way by offering unparalleled control over both physical and chemical properties of materials. With such small-scale manipulation, nanotechnology could lead to entirely new ways of producing products, from medical treatments to electronic components, as well as improved versions of what we already have. With its incredible potential, nanotechnology is sure to be one of the major game changers in the next generation of technology. We can't wait to see what sorts of amazing technologies will come out of this revolutionary field in the future. Thank you for joining us today on this journey into the future of technology. We hope it provides insight on your future careers or investment opportunities. We wish you success.